Tired of bouncing between apps? What if you could streamline your creative process by blending the power of AI directly into your Krita workflow? That's exactly what we're exploring today, how Nano Banana integrates with Krita to give you a seriously boosted workflow. First, make sure you have both Krita and the Nano Banana application installed on your system. Nano Banana acts as a bridge, bringing iPort tools right into Krita. Once both applications are installed, Krita should automatically detect the Nano Banana integration. Look for a new plugin or dockable panel in Krita's interface. Often found under the Scripts or Dockers menu, this panel is your gateway to Nano Banana's features. This integration usually allows you to perform actions like eye-assisted coloring, style transfer, or even generating textures directly within Krita. Simply select the feature you want, define your parameters, and watch the magic happen. Experiment with the different Nano Banana features to see how they can enhance your art. Remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for your artistic skill. So use it to augment your creativity. By integrating Nano Banana, you can unlock new possibilities and drastically speed up certain parts of your workflow. So, dive in and explore the power of AI in your art creation process.